Hi friends. If you are planning to stay in Resort Hotel at Genting Highlands and want to see the rooms there, this video is for you. I will show you the room in which I stayed and will share what you need to know before booking a stay here. Let's begin. All the rooms in this hotel are of only one category, called Deluxe rooms. But one can choose a room with single or twin beds if that room type is available. I got to stay in this twin bed room, and at the first glance, it looked good. And then I realized what was missing. There was no Wi-Fi internet. Later, the front office staff told me that in Resort Hotel, Wi-Fi was available only in the lobby, not in guest rooms. You need to remember this. If you book this hotel, you have to buy a Malaysian data SIM. The other thing missing in this room was air conditioning. But I could manage without that by keeping this window open a little. The rest was okay. The beds were comfortable, there was a flat screen TV, a mini fridge, an iron with stand, and a personal locker. There also was an electric kettle with tea-coffee supplies, and they provided some water bottles every day. A small coffee table and 2 chairs were kept next to the window, and this desk and chair served as a workstation. But the power socket here was not international. The bathroom was good, with basic amenities, and a stand-up shower. Hot and cold water was available round the clock. Overall, the room was good, and would have been even better if they had provided internet. Down in the lobby, there was a kiosk for self-check-in, and another machine for self-checkout. Check-in time was after 3 p.m., and checkout time was before noon. Early check-in and late checkout were possible. The kiosk allowed early check-in, but for late checkout, I had to ask the front office staff. Resort Hotel is almost good if you get it free. But if you are paying for it, you may want to compare it with other options in the complex. I would like to have your opinion on this. To share your views, or for any more information or feedback, please write a comment below, and I will respond as soon as possible. And consider giving a thumbs up if you liked the video. You may also want to subscribe to my channel for more travel videos. Many thanks for watching.